There are various reasons why you want to remove a background from an image or a picture, e.g. to add it to another image, or place some text on it, or repurpose the image entirely. But whatever that reason is, now you can do it faster and better at a finger click. Before you continue watching, ensure to subscribe and click on the bell notification for more videos that makes your life better. Now I'm going to show you how to remove background image from any image or picture of your choice like you could in less than 30 seconds without using any complex software such as Coreldraw, Illustrator, Photoshop that waste your time and most times doesn't get job done as you want if you are not a super pro. And please note, it doesn't matter if you're in a computer or a phone right now because it's an online tool and you even have the option to download the software that does the work for you offline if you have bulky image to edit or you just like working offline. Now let's get started. Alright, the website I'm going to recommend here is called Remove Background, and all you have to type into your browser is type Remove.bg, which stands for Remove Background. Now when you're on the website, you can either sign up or log in if you want, or if you don't like to sign up or log in, you can easily remove background from an image for free without you having to log in. All you have to do is click to upload your image or drop a file, or if you have the link of your image, you can just Ctrl V to paste that image, and most times Ctrl V only works if you're on a computer. It doesn't work if you're on a phone, so if you're on a mobile phone, you have to click upload. Now, let's say we went to Google right here and we search for any image of our choice and we pick any image of our choice. Most times it could be an image from your phone. If you have your own personal picture that you want to upload, go ahead and upload it from your computer. Or most times if you have it, if it is an image that you have on Google, just search for the images and then upload it. Now I'm going to upload this picture here, and now see it's preparing to upload. And most times you need to have a fast internet for this to work. If you are doing this and you get capture error, that means your network is very slow. You need to refresh your page until you have a better network so that this can be done. As you can see here, the image I have the option to edit if I want to, but I don't need to edit that right now. So now let's check this image that we downloaded, that we just edited. As you can see, the background is completely removed. The whole background is entirely gone, just like a magic. See the original picture right there. Can you see this background? And now we have the final picture right there. The background is completely gone. Wow, this is awesome. And before, if you want to do this, you have to go take a lot of time to even do this edition. And most time you have those blurry edges that show that you have actually edited that picture, and that doesn't make it look professional. Now you don't have to use Coreldraw, you don't have to use Photoshop, you don't have to use Illustrator just to remove the background. And this is gonna save a lot of work for those graphic designers out there that have to most time remove images from client's job in order to you propose the image for another use, maybe add it to another poster, add it to a flyer, add it to a banner, or etc. So right now, always ensure to use remove background image to remove any background for free on your phone or computer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, ensure to subscribe to this channel, and please don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to be creating more useful tutorials for you on this channel. And just before I let you go, I'd like to let you know about how to get the they have a Photoshop extension which you can install and add to your Photoshop to do the job for you. And they have the software here which you can download to your Mac, Linux, or Windows system. You're free to download the extension and add it to your Photoshop. If you see, speed up a workflow instead of wasting your time. This does the job perfectly. As you can see, this is with the image instantly. This is an extension you need to download and add to your Photoshop. And here you have the option to download any background, to download any image that you want, to download the software based on your computer, Windows, Mac, Linux. And if you're on a phone, you have to keep on using your phone. You don't have any app for it right now that does the job offline because it's done with an AI. It needs most time connection. It needs an internet connection to work perfectly. Alright, so that's it on using the background, using the remove image website to remove background from any image of your choice. Alright, thanks for watching.